Crypto at a crossroads: regulation, collapse, or control. It's the year 2025. The crypto revolution is no longer a distant dream. It's here, alive, and surging through the arteries of the global financial system. But beneath the surface, a storm is building. What started as a movement of freedom and decentralization now faces a critical turning point. The same governments that once dismissed Bitcoin as a fad are now racing to regulate, restrict, and, some say, reclaim control. Central banks are testing their own digital currencies. The IMF and BIS are rewriting the rules of money. And in Washington, whispers of sweeping legislation grow louder by the day. Meanwhile, investors, especially a new generation hardened by meme stocks and market crashes, are betting everything on volatile coins, obscure tokens, and unregulated platforms. Some are winning big. Others are vanishing overnight. This isn't just another cycle. It's an inflection point. Will crypto fulfill its promise of financial freedom? Or will it collapse under the weight of its own ambition? Or worse, be co-opted by the very powers it sought to disrupt? This is the story of 2025, the year crypto stands trial. 1. The regulatory front lines. In the United States, the battle is heating up. The SEC, under pressure from lawmakers and lobbyists, is cracking down on unregistered tokens and DeFi protocols. A proposed Crypto Clarity Act looms in Congress, threatening to classify nearly all cryptocurrencies as securities. Across the Atlantic, the European Union's markets in crypto assets, MiCA regulation, is now fully in effect, requiring rigorous compliance from exchanges and token issuers. In China, the ban on crypto trading remains ironclad, but its state-backed digital yuan expands aggressively, raising fears of surveillance and control. BRICS nations are experimenting with blockchain as a tool for bypassing Western sanctions. Russia and Iran have already completed trials for cross-border crypto payments. Brazil and India are fostering national stablecoins. This global patchwork of regulation, aggressive, cautious, or silent, is dividing the crypto world. 2. CBDCs versus stablecoins, the digital currency war central bank. Digital currencies, CBDCs, are rising fast. Over 130 countries are developing or piloting them. The US is testing a digital dollar. The EU plans to launch the digital euro by 2026. But stablecoins, especially US dollar-pegged ones like USDC and USDT, still dominate the crypto economy. Governments fear these unregulated digital dollars undermine monetary sovereignty. If CBDCs win, crypto might be absorbed into a tightly controlled digital framework. If stablecoins prevail, it could empower private companies to influence global finance. The stakes couldn't be higher. 3. Investor psychology in a chaotic market post-COVID, post-meme stock mania, and now mid-inflation. A generation of investors is playing with fire. TikTok trading tips and YouTube hype fuel retail speculation. Thousands poured into altcoins during the 2021 to 2022 bull runs, only to get burned in the crashes. Yet they return. Why? Because hope is addictive. The dream of 1000x returns. The distrust in traditional finance. The allure of decentralization. But many don't realize the battlefield has changed. Insiders, bots, and market makers now dominate where amateurs once roamed freely. 4. The rise of AI-powered crypto. Artificial intelligence is transforming crypto, for better and worse. AI trading bots outperform retail traders. AI-generated scams, deepfake founders, and fake news plague investor communities. Meanwhile, some protocols are now integrating machine learning directly into smart contracts. As crypto becomes more complex, AI becomes both a weapon and a shield. Will it help bring order to chaos or accelerate the collapse? 5. Control, collapse, or a new path. 3 futures lie ahead. 1. Control. Governments succeed in integrating crypto into regulated frameworks. CBDCs dominate. Privacy shrinks. The original ethos of decentralization fades. 2. Collapse. Overregulation, market crashes, and loss of faith trigger an exodus. Crypto becomes niche again, or dies. 3. A new path. Builders innovate around regulation. Privacy coins rise. DAOs mature. Web3 becomes a decentralized counterweight to big tech and big government. 2025 is the tipping point. The question is, which path will we choose? The future of money isn't just about tech or tokens. It's about who holds the power. And in 2025, the battle lines are drawn. Which side of history will you be on? Thank you for watching. My name is Felix. See you next time.